how to perform intersection using Arcmap. Lately we have been going through the 7 geoprocessing tools, and I know that there are other tutorials that have preceded before I could finish this playlist, but everything is in order. Some of you requested for those uploads, those tutorials that I uploaded before I could finish this playlist. Nevertheless, everything is in order and everything is just fine. So today I want to show you how the Intersect tool work. I know we have covered much in this tutorial, in this playlist. We have covered about buffer, clip tool, match tool, we have covered, and many dissolve tool. So today we want to cover the Intersect tool. Now the definition that I gave from the first upload in this playlist is that the Intersect tool is similar to the clip tool. If you have not watched how clipping works, I will accompany the link to clipping so that you can have a look at it. But the only difference between the Intersect tool and the clip tool is that in the Intersect tool, the result preserves the attribute from all the data sets that overlap each other. So when you do the Intersect clip, all the attributes are reserved. So we also say the Intersect tool performs a geometric overlap. All features that overlap in all layers will be part of the output feature class. And of course, I did ask a question here, the difference between clip tool and the Intersect tool. I know I've given a clue here, but you can give more explanation about it. Now, an image representation of the Intersect tool is this one. We are having a polygon feature and a circular feature that are overlapping each other at this particular point. So when you do the Intersect tool, what you are doing, you are only having these areas that overlap each other, but the features for the polygon tool and the features for the circular feature will be retained in the output feature. So without much ado, let me take you direct to Arcmap so that we can see how it happens. Now here I have two figures, that is figure 2 and figure 3, and you can see both of them are independent. They are seeing but they do overlap. Okay, so I have a circular feature, of course, and I have a rectangle feature that are overlapping, and now we want to do the Intersect tool. So when we do the Intersect tool, what I expect is, the result that we expect is that we'll have this part of the rectangle, and of course at the edge it will occupy the circular shape because of the circular feature or shapefile that we are having. Now there are two ways of accessing the Intersect tool. The easiest one, of course, is by going to geoprocessing. Then from geoprocessing you'll get the tool for Intersect. Okay, so there you go, you get the Intersect tool and you do it. But at Smart Geo Africa, we want you to be able to do the Intersect tool with any software that you are going to be using. If you use Arcmap Pro, ArcGis Pro, I mean, if you use QGIS and all that. So for me, I'll not use the geoprocessing toolbar that is above here. I will show you the tool that is used. So what I want to do is to go to Arc Toolbox, and then we locate which tool is used for that particular analysis. So just give it some time. As it loads, remember to subscribe to my channel, click that notification button so that you'll be the first one to get any video that I upload. So once we are in our toolbox, what you want to do is analysis tool. At analysis tool, you want to go to overlay, and from overlay you get the Intersect tool. Here it is. So just click on it, and the rest is just easy because you want to overlay the features. So just click the down button here and select the show file or the features that you want to intersect. Taking long to load. Okay, so once you have selected the two, when you are doing intersect, you can have multiple features that you can do and intersect all together. It's not a must that they be two, but of course minimal is two. So after here you want to give it a name. Okay, I think that's it's a good folder. So intersect is the name that I gave it. Of course, at an advanced level, you can choose which feature you want them to be retained in the output feature, but for this tutorial sake I'll just leave them at all. But of course you can choose whether you want number field only and all that, but for me I'll choose all, and then the rest I'm gonna leave it as default. Then of course click OK, and we give it some time as it loads. Then we set it as run. Let's see what we are having. Okay, there you go. We are having now this it's like a cylinder shape, which is now the intersect between figure 3 and figure 2, and that's what we were expecting from the very beginning when we are doing the intersect tool. So let's open the table of attribute. Then we see, there you go. Now we say that once we do the intersection, the output retains the information of the input figures or the input shape files. So if I can just come here and open figure 2. If we open figure 2, you can see we have a polygon here, ID is 0. Figure 3, of course, I did input more details, so it's similar. But now on the intersect figure, then I'm expecting to have the figure that is the shape, it is polygon. So because all the features were polygon, then we have it as polygon. But we have figure 1, which is 0, ID 0, figure 1 0, which are the details for figure 2 and figure 3. So that's how you do intersecting using Arcmap. Welcome so much, and see you in the next tutorial. Before you leave, remember to subscribe, like the channel, share, and click that notification button. Thank you so much. See you in the next upload.